Hongji Mining Machinery Company Limited is an equipment manufacturing enterprise which mainly engages in the production of heavy mining machinery, combined with scientific research, production and sale. The company has established a number of large and medium-sized production lines for domestic and foreign companies in the fields of mining, building materials, metallurgy, and so on. Among them, the 3,000 tons per day new dry cement production line, built in Uzbekistan, especially represents its strong technical strength and large-scale equipment manufacturing capacity. The brief introduction of 3,000 tons per day new dry cement production line process. Limestone is transported into the plant by truck and unloaded into the limestone stock dump. Limestone adopts single-stage hammer crusher, which can directly break large limestone with a maximum size of 1,000 mm to less than 70 mm at one time. The whole line set with bag-type dust collector to ensure the environment is clean and meet the requirements of environmental discharge. The process is simple, reliable, and advanced. The use of 200 meters, multiple 60 meters long, pre-homogenizing stock dump has good homogenizing effect. The operation of stacker and reclaimer is automatically controlled by the program, and the chemical composition of the homogenized limestone is stable. Long-shaped advanced homogenization stock dump is used together with limestone to achieve good homogenizing effect. According to the characteristics of roll core materials, the stacker and reclaimer can carry out automation operation and controllable program, and the chemical composition of the homogenized roll coal, clay, or sandstone is stable. According to the local raw material resources, choose to use limestone, sandstone, clay, and raw materials for batching production. The above raw material are advanced homogenized and enter into the batching system. According to the special formula of cement, the precise metering production is carried out by using electronic belt scale. The advanced microcomputer rate batching system and quality monitoring instrument are used to track, monitor, and adjust the quality situation in real time. Adapt a vertical roller mill technology, make full use of the waste heat of the exhaust gas and rotary kiln preheater. Dry and grind the raw material in a vertical roller mill. The raw material after grinding is good quality, good control, low grinding power consumption, and equipped with cyclone dust collector group and a bag dust collector. Environment discharge is up to standard. The 515 multiple 35 meters continuous raw material homogenization storage technology is adapted to homogenize the raw material after grinding again. The X-ray fluorescence analyzer is used to track and monitor the material quality and adjust the ratio of various raw materials in time to meet the product quality requirement. The clinker calcination adapts a set of single-series 5-stage cyclone preheater and a calciner system to find 4.2 multiple 65 meters rotary kiln with burning system, while burner providing continuous flame into kiln to rise temperature. The exhaust gas of the high-temperature kiln and the raw material are getting fully heat exchanging in the 5-stage cyclone preheater. The calciner is extracted from the kiln head cover with 3 times of air and is sent directly to the calciner through the 3 times of air pipe, which greatly improves the heat utilization efficiency. And the technical indexes reach the world advanced level. The clinker is cooled by the 4th generation grate cooler, which is driven by the hydraulic system. The grate bed pushes the material to move back and forth in a stepped manner. The clinker temperature of the inlet cooler is 1,350 degrees Celsius. and the clinker temperature of the outlet cooler is 65 degrees Celsius plus ambient temperature. The thermal efficiency of the whole cooling system is above 70%. After the waste heat of the waste gas is fully utilized by the core preparation system, the waste gas of the clinker gas of the clinker cooler is purified by a high-temperature cloth-bag dust collector and then discharged into the atmosphere. There is a clinker crusher at the outlet of the clinker-grade cooler, and the clinker discharge from the crusher is sent to two 515 multiple 35 meters clinker warehouses for storage through a chain bucket conveyor. According to the market demand, there is a warehouse-side cardboard clothing for clinker sale. Use the exhaust gas and waste the heat from the cooler. Choose the wind-swept coal mill for facilitating the quality control. Can put more idle coal and blind coal to better use the coal resource for reduce the cement production cost, which will not only meet the product quality and produce needs, but also lower down the electrical consumption of the grinding. According to the characteristics of combustible and explosive pulverized coal, it is equipped with automatic monitoring, alarm, and fire extinguishing system, and adopts special anti-static back dust collector for pulverized coal, which is safe and reliable, and the dust emission concentration is much lower than the national standard. The raw coal is transported into the factory by car, unloaded into the raw coal pre-homogenization storehouse by the raw coal stacker and reclaimer for storage and pre-homogenization, and then taken by the raw coal stacker and reclaimer transport by the belt conveyor to the coal grinding head storehouse, after the calculate by the feeder metering on the bottom of the storehouse. Fed into the fine 3.2 multiple 6.3 meter wind-swept mill. The pulverized coal is separated by the dynamic classifier and the fine powder separator, and the coarse powder is returned to the mill for grinding again. The finished products are measured by the quantitative rotor feeding scale at the bottom of the warehouse, and the pneumatic conveyor to the kiln head burner and decomposition furnace. The waste gas is purified by the back dust collector and discharged into the atmosphere. According to the different requirements of cement varieties, the clinker is mixed with the appropriate amount of gypsum and mixed materials. After mixed the high-precision measurements by the scale, the clinker is fed into the grinding equipment for milling. At the same time, the microcomputer batching system and a quality monitoring instrument track, monitor, and adjust the quality in real time. Cement grinding mill equipment adapts two sets of 5 3.2 multiple 13 meters bore mills, roller presses, V-type powder separators, and cyclone collectors, which composed of a closed-circuit pre-grinding system plus high-fine open-circuit grinding system. This system has high production efficiency, low energy consumption, high specific surface area of cement, quality stability, and other advantages. The material in the cement mill is continuously grinded by steel ball to meet the requirements of particle size. From the discharge screw output the particle size material into the mill head screen. The mill head screen is connected with dust collector to return materials that do not meet the specifications and collect the dust within the materials. The material under the screen is sent into the bucket elevator. The whole process with high degree of automation, excellent production control parameters, good product quality, high output, low power consumption, low cost, meet the requirements of environmental production high standards of emissions, has a strong market competitive advantage in the industry. The cement and milled up to the mill system is stored in 6 515 multiple 32 meter cement silos with a total reserve of 6 multiple 6,500 tons. The cement from the cement milling system is fed into the cement storehouse through the bucket elevator and air transport chute. At the bottom of the cement storehouse, there is a decompression cone and an inflating device, and the air is supplied by root blower. The cement discharged from the storehouse is sent to the cement bulk and the packing system through the discharging device at the bottom of the storehouse, the air conveying chute, and the bucket elevator. The top and the bottom of the cement storehouse are equipped with back dust collector to purify the dust gas and then put into the atmosphere. After a series of strict chemical testing and physical tests, the qualified cement products can be sold as finished products. The qualified cement products are sent respectively through 2 elevators and 2 air conveyor chutes to the middle warehouse and the cement bulk warehouse for packing. The qualified cement products conveyed from the middle warehouse into the 8-mount packing machine. Cement packing system set up to 8-mount sub-package machine. The package machine adopts microcomputer scale measurement, high measurement accuracy, good stability. The package the cement bags, 50 kilometers from one standard bag, go through the unloading conveyor system, such as pickup machine, smooth machine, and cleaning machine, etc., and are sent to the bag cement truck loader for loading and delivered out from the factory. The cement out of the cement storehouse go through the elevator and the air conveyor chute, then be sent to the cement truck bulk storehouse, set up to 5-6, multiple 20-meter cement bulk storehouses. The cement truck bulk machine is set under each storehouse and bulked into the truck and delivered out of the factory.